Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about how to make the most of your subliminals, listening to subliminals, how to get results instantly, all of that fun stuff. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe on this channel. I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my Game of Alignment course, my Manifest Your SP course, or my Perfect Self-Concept course. Check out my one-on-one coaching services and join my collective coaching. All of the details will be in the pinned comment down below and in the description box. Or you could just go on ritakaminski.com. Oh, also I'm beginning to post on my second channel again, so I'm vlogging every single day and I'm so excited about it. So subscribe to my second channel. That will be also in the pinned comments. Okay, so the number one thing you have to do is listen as much as possible throughout the day and throughout the evening. When I just listened here and there, I would not get as big results versus a couple of days ago, I started listening religiously. And when I mean religiously, I mean, I would wake up and I would put my AirPods in and I would be listening to my daytime subliminals. And I'll talk about my playlist. I don't listen to just my subliminals. I listen to basically every subliminal creator. And then in the evening when I'm falling asleep, I'm listening to nighttime subliminals. That saturates your mind. And the reason why I love subliminals so much is because you don't have to do anything. You get that information embedded into your mind and you don't have to do anything for it. You just have to listen. And it's so effective. But the thing is that consistency is key and spreading it out throughout your entire day. Now, I don't want you to stop talking to people or halt this from doing your daily routine. Live your life. But when you want to listen to music or a podcast while you're cooking or walking or whatever, and then also you can robotically affirm over them in your mind. Like, I started listening to everything under the sun to do with subliminals that is interesting to me, which is most of the subliminals out there. I have a subliminal playlist that has 1,000 subliminals in it and I listen to it every day. But that's in the second tip. I'm getting way too ahead of myself. I'm getting too excited because I'm so excited and I love subliminals so much. But you listen to that when you want to listen to podcasts or when you are going out for a walk or when you want to watch like a TV show or a movie while you're eating or whatever. Just like listen to subliminals and actually enjoy your meal instead. Consistency is key. And when I started listening to the playlist non-stop, I found myself to join the gym. I'm dyeing my hair. I am getting better friendships. My SP has always been obsessed with me. Like, we've been in honeymoon stage for like 2 years and it's never gonna end, but it's like over capacity. Like, it's just, and I don't have to do anything like for it. I just listen to subliminals and I get all my manifestations. I'm just such a big advocate for it. But that's the number one tip. Listen as much as possible throughout the day and all throughout the night. Number two, create your own subliminal playlist. You can put it on private. You can put it on unlisted and share it with your friends. But like, if you put on private, no one is going to see it. If you feel very paranoid, create a burner YouTube account and then just listen to your subliminals that way. Obviously, YouTube is not sponsoring me to say this, but YouTube Music is the best like music streaming service. When you join the YouTube Premium option that has YouTube Premium and YouTube Music, you can listen to subliminals without any ads. And because I listen and watch, consume YouTube from morning to like, basically I'm on YouTube 24/7. It's my job. It's what I love to do. I live, breathe, sleep, quite literally YouTube. So I don't have to wait through ads, and also I'm listening to subliminals nonstop. I can lock my phone, I can put it away somewhere, and it's just going and going and going. Number three, I want you to pay attention to how those subliminals make you feel. If the subliminals are making you feel like crap, it's giving you a headache, it is annoying you, or after a few days you don't see results from it, or like, and that's not 100% tangible. Like, you can't know if you have 1,000 subliminals. You don't know which one exactly works. But the only way that I can explain it is when a subliminal works for me, as I'm listening to it, I get excited for no reason. And it's not like I'm jumping out of my skin excited. I'm just like, yeah, like this is gonna work. Like, I know this is gonna work. And it's like a rush inside of myself that gets me going, where other subliminals don't. Like, I will listen to subliminals and they will have the most exciting benefits, they'll have the best visuals, but something in me is just like, you know? So you have to just be cognizant of what you're listening to and delete that subliminal that you don't like or isn't really giving you much. I also want to say that I did change my mind about something. I have had another year of experience in the subliminal community, and in my most watched subliminal video, which you can check up in the card here, I said that delete videos that give you nightmares. You have to tread lightly with this. I know myself, obviously, I know the affirmations that I put into my subliminals, and obviously I don't write any affirmations with ill intent. I listen to my own self-concept subliminal every single night, so it just makes no sense for me to put any negative things in it. Also, I'm working every day to help you guys, so it just doesn't make sense for me to make any affirmations that have any ill intent in them. But when I listened to my self-concept subliminal 2 nights ago, and this has never happened before, but for some reason that night, I did have a nightmare and I didn't listen to any subliminals. I mean, I did during the day, so maybe, but that's just something to note. If you're looking at the comments and most of the comments, like 95% of the comments are positive, just give it another day. But if you are consistently having nightmares and you feel like it's because of this one subliminal, just don't listen to it anymore, because at the end of the day, we really don't know what other subliminal creators put in their subliminals. So you have to feel within your body how you feel and just kind of take everything with a grain of salt. To find subliminals, literally you can make a list of all the things that you want to manifest and then go down the list. So pretend your list is, I want to manifest weight loss, I want to manifest my SP to be obsessed with me, I want to manifest the ultimate glow up, I want to manifest being social media famous, I want to manifest financial freedom. Take that list and write down the first thing, weight loss subliminal. Right click on all of them, go ahead and add them to your subliminal playlist. You can categorize them as weight loss subliminals, SP subliminals, and I do that too, but I find it easy to have all of them just in one place so I can quickly just go and find it and then listen to it throughout the day. Unless I'm really crashing out about my manifestation, like I really want something really bad, I will go on like a playlist for it and listen that way. So it's up to you what you want to do. You can do both the generic subliminal playlist and the ones targeting all of your manifestations. So the next thing I want to say, and I said this in my previous subliminal video, but I cannot stress this enough, and I don't care what you have to say on the matter, noise cancelling headphones and earphones, AirPods, whatever the hell, if they are going into your ear canals, that is the best way to go. I listen to subliminals in the car without AirPods. It's the only time you're gonna catch me listening to subliminals without any AirPods in. No. Because what do I look like spending my time listening to subliminals when I can get 2 times the results having those affirmations going into my ear canals? Like, the whole point is for the subconscious mind to hear those affirmations being said so they can penetrate the mind, so that manifestation can get pushed out. I'm gonna be real, I feel the most when I'm hearing that little, like very faintly in my ear canals. I see the results more. I do. I get instant manifestations when I hear that little, like that's the sped up affirmations in the subliminal. Yeah. What else? Is there anything else that I want to say on subliminals for you to get an instant manifestation? I'm really just getting like listen to it consistently, wear your AirPods, and find a playlist. That's that on that. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because I know you absolutely adored it. Share this video with anyone or any group of ones that will need it, whether it's on Facebook groups, Tumblr, X, YouTube posts, community tab, whatever, TikTok, whatever. Turn the bell notifications on and comment down below if you have any questions about subliminals. And again, make sure to check out all of the courses that I offer in the description box, in the pinned comment, and at ritakaminski.com, my one-on-one coaching services, my collective coaching, and subscribe to my vlogging channel, Rita Kaminski Vlogs. I'm at 1.4K. Let's get it up there. Let's get it to 10K, okay? I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Have an absolute amazing day. Bye, everyone.